In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can hide your phone number from contacts on Telegram. If you wish not to share your phone number to Telegram users, including your own contacts, simply head into your Telegram. Tap right here to head into your settings. On the settings page, scroll down onto the option of privacy and security. Then select the option of phone number. You will have to select who can see your phone number. Tap on nobody. Only your contacts can see your phone number. To also hide your phone number to your contacts, you will have to head into this last option right here. Select all your contacts. Then after tap on done. Your phone number will be hidden to selected contacts on Telegram. If you wish to not show your number to anyone, just simply select all your contacts. That's how easy it is to hide your phone number from your contacts on Telegram. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.